Hi, I'm going to give a quick overview of the vent monitoring system. As you can see here, we have our test sample emergency ventilator. I'm going to just turn that on, and you'll see it's starting up what would typically be a PCB print controller board that controls the functioning of the ventilator. You'll see it's not wired in any way over to this laptop. This is just for display purposes. The ventilator will send the statistics information to a server wirelessly. It could also be networked if wireless is not available. So I'm going to log into the system here. And that brings us to an administrator dashboard. There's two types of users. You can be an administrator to see everything, or you can just be a monitoring user, only to view the monitor of all the statistics. If I click here real quick, we'll go to our ventilators, and you can see in this account there's 3 existing ones already registered. You can either register a new one or edit and remove details of the other ones. If we go back, and these are anything that is sending data to the server. If I go back to the dashboard, you can see some other things that are available here. We have our locations, meaning where the ventilators are located within your account. Your alerts, you're going to receive some text messages, and your users, meaning your administrators or your monitor people. So I'm going to click on the monitoring service. And we'll see here that this data is going to refresh as it receives new information from the ventilator. So you see those values are changing. And what we have here is back over to the ventilator. We have this set up so that we can adjust one of the values and throw it out of the acceptable range. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And what we'll see on the monitoring service is now we have our value out of range. I'm going to go ahead and pause that so it'll turn off the alarm. You'll see that we just got a text message about the alarm. So I just paused it by clicking the pause button. I'm going to go back over to our ventilator, and I'm going to adjust it again back all the way up to an acceptable range. And we'll get a refresh. Now we're back in the green, so we'll resume, and that's how the monitoring works. Thanks.